Okay, so I'm back with those couple of problems that I mentioned that was extra practice for you. So let's look at the first one. I have parentheses. So do we keep them or get rid of them? Good, we get rid of them. And so what's the operation between the parenthesis and the -5? Multiplication, which means we're going to have to distribute the -5 to the two terms inside the parentheses. So -5 times 6, -30. And then plus -5 times positive z is a -5z. Excellent. Equals -20. So we spoke about this in the original video, right? The positive with the negative, if you want to think of that as multiplication, that becomes -5z. Excellent. Okay, now we have the real linear equation we're trying to solve. And we're trying to solve for z. So, notice the 5z and the -30 are separated by a subtraction sign. This one has the z, this one doesn't. So whatever doesn't have the z has got to go to the other side. So, how do you get rid of this -30? You've got to use a +30. Just on the left? Excellent. Also on the right. So, what will remain on the left? -5z, great. And on the right? Yeah, you have a -20 and a +30, which gives you a +10. Wonderful. And now we have simplified this equation very well. We're down to something very simple to finish solving. What's between the -5 and the z? Multiplication, so break it by division. On left and right, I'm going to have to divide by that -5. And on the left remains the z, and on the right, -2. Excellent. Well done. Okay, let's look at problem number 2. Same scenario, right? I have got parentheses. I've got a number outside the parentheses. Between here is multiplication. So to get rid of parentheses, you simply have to do your distribution with the two terms inside. So 5 times 2n, 10n. And now you have this minus. And 5 times 3, 15. Excellent. Equals, whoops, see? You're right. This is why I have to have you guys do it with me. +10. Okay. Now, parentheses are gone. And now I can focus. I am trying to get the n by itself. I'm noticing the 15, which is being separated by a subtraction sign. I'm noticing the 15 doesn't have an n. So should it stay on the same side as n? Excellent. It's got to go. So this is a subtraction, 15. So you have to add 15 just to the left, also to the right. Well done. Which means the next line, good, just 10n remains on the left of the equal to sign, and on the right side of the equal to sign is a 25. Okay, so all the n's are on one side, but n is not by itself. Yeah, you're going to have to divide by 10. Wonderful, you guys got this. On both sides, excellent. And so on the left is n. And on the right, I know a fraction, because 25 does not divide by 10 evenly. Stay off the calculators. They didn't say use a decimal. Stay off it. So, yes, reduce both of them by 5. And sometimes we need to see those little division by 5. You're never too sophisticated to write this step out. I'm just saying, those of us who are visual, like me, sometimes I need to write divide by 5 on top and bottom. Okay, 25 divided by 5. 10 divided by 5. Excellent. Good? Okay, you guys have fun. Catch you on the flip side.